We usually throw away paper into bins without giving a second thought about it. But have you even thought of how can you recycle the paper? How can you use your creativity to make something useful? How can you help the environment at the same time? Actually, we will be hitting two birds with one stone if we recycle our paper. In this video, I will focus on the benefits of recycling our precious waste paper and then how to recycle paper at home. Let's start with the advantages we've got when we do paper recycling. To put it simply, I divide it into three things: save trees, save space, save pollution. Paper comes from trees, so obviously we reduce the number of deforestation and conserve natural resources. We will also save landfill space when we can reduce the number of the garbage we put into the bins, especially the paper. Besides, paper recycling is very important because we can actually reduce the amount of pollution. Paper waste is a serious problem, so we have to save the paper. According to a paper in 2014, every ton of recycled fiber saves an average of 17 trees plus related pumping energy. We also save a lot of water, a lot of electricity, and air pollution, and also the landfill space. At the same time, there's less energy consumption and less water as well. Overall, we save trees, save space, save pollution. So I tried to make my own recycled paper, and this is how it goes. My first attempt trying to make the recycled papers turned out pretty well. And the first thing that I try to do is I focus on the mold. And the mold, I made it out of a frame and also screen. There's like a wood that lay around in my house, so I just use it to make a frame and trying to be creative with it. So I try to cut it out, and here is the result of the mold. And I need a lot of waste paper to make the recycled paper again. And before I do that, I have to cut the paper into smaller pieces and then put the paper into the blender, and then we got that kind of consistency, and then we put it into a bin that is bigger than our mold. And here is the paper result, and it turned out pretty good. Yes, but we have to wait it and until the paper dry out. And at the time, I asked my friends, just like as you can see, have you ever tried to recycle your paper at home? And out of 10 people, they actually said that they have 4 out of 10, which is like pretty interesting because I don't think that a lot of people have tried this thing out before. And actually, there's a lot of people. I put the paper on some kind of glass so that it can dry it up faster, and this is the result when it dry, and I tried to write something down on it. So thank you for watching. The importance of recycled paper. Remember, reduce, reduce, recycle. Thank you.